Hi children, welcome to my tutorial channel. Today's topic is days and months. Let's start with days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. First day of the week: Sunday. Last day of the week: Saturday. Let's start with months. There are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Months with 30 days: April, June, September, and November. Months with 31 days: January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Month with 20 days, 29 in leap year is February. Thank you for watching, and if you all are enjoying my video, like, share and subscribe.